So far in our course in learning HTML, we have seen what is HTML, then the HTML elements or tags and HTML attributes, and then HTML editors. We have also seen the headings and paragraphs, like there could be many kind of headings like H1, H2, and the font will be changed accordingly. Then paragraph also we have seen. Now we will see HTML styles and HTML CSS, cascading style sheets. So what is CSS and HTML is styles? Let us learn today. So styles in HTML is used to change font size, to change font color, to change background color, to change many attributes of the layout and the overall you can say design of your HTML file. So generally the syntax to use style is, in your code you will write the element style and set the attribute. So there are two parts of attributes, one is property and one is value. So for example, you need to set the font's color. So you will write font color and the value say green. So the color of the font for that place where you want to put this style, the font color will be become green. Okay. So this is how styles are used. So let us see some examples. Let us have some exercise. So here what we can do, body, the main body style, and the attribute we are saying the background and background color, and the value will be red. Okay. Similarly, you can change the font color for say heading, the header one, H1. So you can set it as blue. Then paragraph you can set as green. Then you can also set the font family, like there are many font families like Verdana, Courier, Times New Roman, etc. So you can set the font family for particular part of paragraph, a particular part of header, etc. in your HTML page. So this is one way of changing the style of your content. This is inline. So wherever the place where you need to change, you will set the style. The other way is that you can do internal styling, and in the header part of your HTML, you will set the styles. So set the styles for say body. So the background color you want to put red, or the header font you want to put blue. Then for paragraph you want to put green. So you will define this style in your header, and then in your body you can use this style. So say for example, when you are putting H1, you don't need to define again the font color there. It will be automatically become blue because you have already defined it in your header. So this is how the internal styling is done. The third option is you can define your styles in a separate file and save it as some file name .css. So and now once though you have defined a lot of things in your file, the CSS file, you can use this file by referencing this file in your HTML. So you can put a link to this file using this command, bracket link, and then rel in relation, and then put the style sheet, the attribute of relation in style sheet, and where this file is located. So in href you will put the file name, folder name. Like if the file is located in the same folder as your HTML file, then you just write the file name here. But if this file is located in some other folder, then you need to provide the folder name here as well. Okay, so this is how styles and CSS are used with HTML. So let us go with to our old file which we are working, and let us put these styles in that file. So we had this first HTML, right? So let us put this style. Uh, so for body, for header 1, for header 2, and paragraph. Let us change all of them. Okay. So body style. Let us say the font body, and style is a background color, say red, and for header style should be color blue. For header 1, okay. For header 2, again let us put some color. So let us put this, instead of blue, let us put it as yellow. Okay. And for paragraph, let us put style color. This time, say you want to put green. Okay, color. Okay, things look fine. We can save the file. So we are changing the body background style, then font color for header 1, font color for header 2, and font color for paragraph, right? Okay. Now make it HTML. Now let us open the HTML file. You see the background color has been put to red, and the big font is in blue. The smaller font is in yellow, and this paragraph is in green, right? This is what we set in our file. So this is how styles are used. Uh, I will not do this internal styling and external file because I want you to do some exercise. So what you need to do is in the header of your file, you put this style, this kind of style, right? And then you save, you do, and then you remove the styles which you mentioned in the body part. Only put this style in your header part. So it will be internal styling, and then external file again. So what you can do, this style you can in a text file, you put this style and save the text file, and then you link that text file and save that text file as a CSS, and then you link that text file in your HTML. So it will be an external file. So this is how you can learn and use styles in your HTML. So thanks for your time. and bye for now.